Fried chicken and waffles just got easier. I'm Annie from ketofocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChocZero to show you how you can be enjoying fried chicken and waffles in around 5 minutes. Let's get started. Instead of cooking our waffles and fried chicken separately, we're going to be combining it into one maple-flavored chicken waffle. To a small bowl, add 1 egg, 2 ounces of pre-cooked shredded chicken, 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of ChocZero maple syrup, mix this together until it's combined. I like to mix mine until the chicken is in small chunks. Then pour this into a preheated waffle maker and let cook for around 3 to 5 minutes until the waffle is set. Don't worry if it's still a little soggy, it's going to harden and crisp up further when you fry it. To get this chicken waffle ready for the frying pan, we're going to coat it in an egg wash and then some ground pork rinds. In this bowl, I have 1 egg mixed together with a tablespoon of water, and then in this bowl, I have about 1/2 cup of ground up pork rinds. Dip your chicken waffle first into the egg wash, and then we're going to dip it into our ground pork rinds to coat it evenly around. Next, we're going to fry our waffles. In a skillet, I have enough avocado oil just to cover about half of a waffle. Once your oil is hot enough, you want to lay your waffle down in it, and you're going to fry it on both sides until they're nicely golden brown. Next comes my favorite part, which is of course eating it, and we're going to top it with ChocZero's maple syrup. Their line of syrups are keto approved, they're sugar-free and sugar alcohol-free. Don't forget to tag us, ChocZero, with your pictures of your chicken and waffles chaffle.